Hi guys, welcome back to the Modular Characters setup for Survival Game Kit 2. This is part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, go and watch part 1 and then come back and watch this. I forgot to mention yesterday, when you're bringing in your meshes for your character, so you bring in your main mesh with the one skeleton, but when you're bringing in your modular parts, okay, don't select the option, don't leave the skeleton blank, always pick the main mesh skeleton. That way all your meshes are going to work off that one skeleton, and it saves you having like 3 or 4 different skeletons for each mesh. Okay, so we're going to continue off where we left off. We just finished setting up all the meshes. As you remember, everything works within game. You can equip your weapons. Now what we'll do is we'll get equipment for the character and then start hiding all the body parts for those specific clothes. I'll show you how to set the tags. Okay, so we're no longer going to need this stuff that we previously had open, so you can go ahead and just close them down. And when you bring in the clothes as well, make sure you pick your skeleton to your main mesh. That way everything lines up as it should be. And it uses that one specific skeleton. Okay, so again, in order to achieve this, we will open the base character because we need to do some changes inside the base character. Item list as well. Okay, so the best way to do this is just so we'll start with the pants, just duplicate this, and then we can change this to a shirt. So we'll just okay, then all we'll do is just expand everything, search for our pants. Obviously you can make your icons for your pants and your equipment. What we'll do with this is we'll just grab this, the reason I do this, okay, is unless you're going to spend the time making a static mesh for the pants and then deforming them in the static mesh editor, okay, it's always best to have equipment or items spawn inside bags or boxes. In my project I've got it spawning as boxes, but we'll just use the treasure bag just for now. Okay, and then what we want to find is this one here. Okay, So we want to do that, and then we'll type in here. Now the reason we've put it as legs is we'll go back to the character and we will go search for tags, and then for each one give it a tag of what it is. So hair, head, torso, arms, hands, legs, and then feet. So this will enable us to hide each one of these specific parts, because you don't really want your meshes to be shown underneath your clothing. So to save on performance and load issues, it's always best just to hide these modular parts once you have clothing for it. Okay, so we'll just give that a save. We've got that in the item list. We'll just rename this, and then that should be it. It's not much. Oh yeah, again save that, and then we'll just move on to the boots. Boots, again find the tag. This time we want to hide the feet. Don't forget to go up to the equipment. Oh, it's on the vest. Okay, so it's on the right one. Okay, so that one's done, and then we'll do the top. Again, you can create the icons for your clothing inside the icon maker that Diffuse gives you. Select this, change the tactical rid to shirt, and then again under the tag, this time for a top we want to hide the make sure you spell it exactly how it's spelled in your master character, otherwise it won't hide those body parts. Again, for specifics like a top with long sleeve, you want to hide two body parts, which would be the torso and the arms. Okay, so, and then we'll just change this. Okay, so that's done. Okay, and now all we have to do is create the world items. So if you just find, where is it? Static mesh. So if we call this BP underscore pants 01 underscore world item, open that up, pants again, create a child, name this one BP underscore boots 01 underscore world item. Again, open that one up, select your item, save, and then last one, BP underscore top 01 underscore world item, and we'll open that one up and select top. Okay, so that's the 3 items made, so we can just grab it there, grab it there, and then the boots. So if we just go ahead and save all, again, equip, the boots go on, the feet are hidden, pants, equip, again. Oh yeah, so there's a reason why we brought in the boxer shorts mesh, okay, because when you put clothing on characters, it doesn't always hide things correctly. So as you can see, his boxer short is sticking through, but we've already set a separate mesh for that. So if we just go to the boxer shorts, add the tag, boxers, copy that, and then go find it in the item list. So it's pants, scroll down, add another tag, and just put in boxes. Okay, so if we just save that, save all, and then we try that again, and this time you'll be able to notice that things are being hidden. Okay, so if we equip that, if you notice you don't see the boxes no more, that means that survival game kit is hiding the meshes. The legs are hidden inside the pants, so you no longer have the engine working to get the meshes in, and then obviously equip the top. Okay, so as you can see, body parts have hidden and everything works just perfect for you. Alright guys, that was a nice short sweet video, 13 minutes, didn't take too long. So that is how you set up a modular character for survival game kit. Okay guys, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.